Welcome to Pawnbroker Pawnshop Software. You own your shop, but not your software. If the heartbeat of your business is owned and controlled by your software vendor, get back on track with OnePay software that installs on your computer under your control. Pawnbroker software is not web-based. Internet is not needed to run it. It is not rental software, no monthly forever fees. It is limited to 3 to 4 computers per store and is not available in California, Massachusetts, or Texas. You own the software with one payment for lifetime use. It cannot be transferred to another. You control the software and your data. Your current clients, inventory, current pawns, and gun log can be converted. Pawn and buy tickets print on paper, except in Florida, so no more forms expense. Godex, TSC, and Zebra label printers work. Others might work. Older computers and outdated networks may need to be upgraded. Most scanners will work, and you can continue to use current credit card processing. Driver licenses can be scanned to populate a new client screen, except in Louisiana and Oklahoma. Police reports can be printed or saved to file. Leads reports can be sent automatically. Electronic fingerprinting and signatures are possible. The program has special provisions for describing jewelry and guns for the gun log. Data backup is automatic to external drives for safety. All basic pawn functions are included. We've been around for a long while, always in good standing with the Better Business Bureau, Google, and our end users. Our competitors? Not so much. Our business model is also refreshingly different. Payment for the software comes after you've given your approval. The software is yours with one payment, followed by an annual software maintenance of $295 starting year 2. You will have 30 days from the date of purchase to request a refund for the software. You own the software for life, but cannot transfer it to someone else. There are no support contracts or prepayments. We can assist with many things for $25 per 15 minutes. Here's a recap of the benefits of upgrading to Pawnbroker Pawnshop software. Foremost, the cost is way less over time. No internet is required, and you own and control the software and your data. Data can be converted with some minor limitations. Will you and your employees have to learn a new program? Yes, but they won't have to relearn how pawns work, just where we put things in a different layout. Watch a short, very helpful video of the program's design. Feel free to give us a call. Another pleasant surprise is a phone conversation without the sales hype and push to buy.